Okay everyone, I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to change an image inside of your landing page. If you come and click your magic button here and click on background, and then this area right here, you see where it says browse? If you go ahead and click on that as opposed to this button here of the spyglass, which shows you what's already there, we click on browse, and this is going to open up your back office. Now you may already have a picture back here, or you may need to upload a picture, and if so, you simply click upload files. You come to this area here where you have your files that are in the back of your computer, and you can go ahead and pick an image to put in that place. So we go ahead and we can double click on this image. That will replace it. We click on update, and voila, we have just put a brand new image in the background of this particular spot. And that, my friends, is how we go about the task of replacing an image.